Hi students, today in our class we are going to revise chapter 2 revision of 1 mark questions for second year PU students. Let's start our class. It's a quick revision. The first question is in Karnataka, which was the first backward class commission. The first backward class commission in Karnataka was Nagarna Gowda Commission. The next question is who wrote Caste in India? The author was J.H. Hutton. The next question is who advocated the policy of isolation? The policy of isolation was advocated by Maria Elvinga. The next question is mention any one definition of caste. You have to write any definition that you remember. Here I take S.V. Ketkar's definition. According to him, a caste is a group having two characteristics. Membership is confined to those who are born of members, and members are forbidden by inexorable social law, especially in caste system. The endogamy policy is given important. The next question is mention any two changes in caste system. As we know, the changes in caste system as occupational choice and food restrictions are relaxed. The next question is give any two criteria of backwardness. The educational criteria. The next question is mention any two social reform movements. The Brahma Samaj social reform and Arya Samaj. And there are so many social reforms that help to abolish our caste system. The next question is mention any one category of backward classes in India, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes communities. You have to write any one. The next question is who was the chairman of first backward class commission in India? The answer is Kalekar. The next is mention any two causes for changes in the caste system. There are so many causes that bring changes in caste system. I take here education and industrialization, urbanization also one of those, and social reforms. You have to write any cause that bring changes in caste system. Mention the next question is mention the three views on the tribal welfare. Then answer is the policy of isolation, policy of assimilation, and policy of integration. These policies bring and work for the welfare of tribal people in India. The next question is who advocated the policy of tribal Panchashila? The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is who wrote. The next question is who wrote caste in India? The answer is J.H. Hutton. The next question is who called tribals as backward Hindus? G.S. Gurre called tribals as backward Hindus. The next question is name any two tribes of southern zone. There are so many tribes in southern zone. I mention here Soligas, Badaga, Toda, and Malaya. Kadu, Kurba, Hakki, Pikki are there, so many of them. The next question is which state has the highest percentage of scheduled tribes? The answer is Mizoram. The next question is give the meaning of social inequality. The answer is the patterns of unequal access to social resources are commonly called social inequality. Means the distribution of social resources are unequal. The access to social resources. The next question is write any two problems of scheduled caste. Here sometimes they ask the any two disabilities of scheduled caste. Don't get confused. Problems are or they ask disabilities. So you have to write the answer is social disability, economic disability, religious disabilities, that's for social scheduled caste people. The next question is mention the three zones of tribals. The north and northeastern zone, the central zone and the southern zone are the three zones of tribals. The next question is name anyone backward classes commission appointed by the government of India. The answer is Mandal Commission. Don't get confused. Here they ask the backward class commission of India. If they ask the backward class commission of India means you have to write Mandal Commission. If in exam they ask the backward class commission of Karnataka, in Karnataka you have to write Nagarna Gowda Commission. The next question is who wrote caste in India? The answer is Herbert Risley. So these are the questions carrying 1 mark questions of chapter 2. Thanks for listening.